think one of the big misconceptions about credit and finance is just, okay, what's the difference between me saying, okay, I'm going to do it myself versus having a professional help me on the journey, especially if I don't even have experience and knowledge of what I'm doing.
Basically, what a specialist is, we have a little bit more education when it comes down to repairing the credit because we study the FCRA and we learn the different sections of disputing. And usually when people repair their own credit, and don't get me wrong, it's nothing wrong with repairing your own credit, okay? But you have to be consistent. Some people don't have that time to be consistent, okay? You have to keep disputing every 30 to 35 days, okay? Once you dispute,
really?
absolutely. So per the FCRA, which is the Federal Credit Reporting Act, a consumer has a right to dispute their credit report if they see anything that's inaccurate on their credit report, okay? But they also have to wait between 30 to 35 days to give the credit bureaus time to investigate their dispute, okay? So once you get that 30 days in, of course, you know, it takes 2-3 days for it to be mailed back to you, your results. And then once you get it, if it comes back verified, guess what? You have to go ahead and do it again. Don't wait 30 days to do another letter and send it in. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and send that another letter right back out immediately, okay? Consistency is what it is. But when you go back and send another letter out, you want to make sure you're asking them, how do they validate this, okay? So it is steps to repairing your credit. It's not just doing a template letter or just saying, hey, this account doesn't belong to me. You have to know the sections and the different laws with the FCRA in order to dispute inaccurate information off your credit report for it to come off correctly.
I can say you definitely sound like you know what you're talking about.
Absolutely.
Because, for one, most people don't even mention these things when they talk about it from a service standpoint. They're just telling you, oh yeah, we can remove this, we can do this. Like this 35-day thing, never heard of that. They never mention any of these things.
Right.